At Cavity Sliders, you probably know us first and foremost for our awesome pocket systems. But it turns out we actually have a solution for everything interior and sliding, our track systems. We've recently made them available in a very convenient track kit that encompasses the track for your application as well as the carriage packs in one package so you can grab and go. So why go for our tracks? Like our pockets, they operate incredibly smoothly because of our carriages. They install really nicely because of the mount plates, which have a spring-loaded quick release for install as well as service. They've got a notch in them so that you can access the carriages, and let's not forget the soft close. So, some of these popular items are our top mount double or our bypass, as well as our CaviTrack side mount for a contemporary barn application. So keep out a look for the slick packaging in your retail environments. You'll see the selections can be made here, 6 and 8 foot. You've got your finishes. Go check it out. Tell them I sent you.